Hello, hi, welcome back to N Curve24. Welcome if you are new to my channel. Today we are going to see my review of another minimalist product, and that is the GranActive Retinoid 2% emulsion. So Minimalist is a brand which is recently launched in India and have tried few products from them. Their products are free from parabens, fragrance, silicone, sulfate, essential oils and dyes, which I absolutely like. They also use aloe vera juice as their first ingredient, so you might have heard of retinol or retinoid. Retinoid can help with pigmentation, acne scars, delaying aging signs, and even if you are having wrinkles and fine lines, it can help to smooth the skin. When we age, the cell turnover gets slower than normal, so the retinoid can make the cell turnover faster, can help in improving the health of the skin. The side effect of retinoid is that it can increase the photosensitivity, means when you are going out and the chances of sunburn gets doubled, so always make sure to use sunscreen. Another side effect is that it can cause dryness or flakiness on the skin because it increases the cell turnover. What is GranActive Retinoid? It is a new generation retinoid. It is a derivative of vitamin A, just like retinoid or retinol. It's called the hydroxypinocolone retinoid. It can help with fine lines, wrinkles, and help in achieving a more youthful skin like retinol based product. So what makes GranActive Retinoid different from traditional retinoid? GranActive Retinoid comes with same benefits of retinoid but without the side effect like irritation, flakiness or dryness. So anyone who cannot use the prescription retinoid or want to reap the same anti-aging and skin benefits of retinoid, they can actually go for GranActive Retinoid. If you're pregnant or lactating or planning to be a mother soon, then don't use retinoids. Now coming to this product, this comes in a dark glass bottle with a dropper like this. You are getting 30 ml of the product for $6.95. The ingredients of this product is as shown. They have aloe vera juice as the first ingredient, and it is one of the best humectant which provides hydration. They have dimethyl isosorbide which helps to penetrate the ingredients better, and propanediol, ethoxy diglycol, all these are solvent or another humectant which helps in improving the formulation and texture of the product. Then comes the retinoid, which is hydroxypinocolone retinoid, which is the GranActive Retinoid. Then we have tocopherol, an antioxidant, and few fatty alcohols, and it has 2 or 3 preservatives, phenoxyethanol, and at the bottom of the list you can see. So the texture of the product is cloudy and little difficult to take out from the bottle because it's an emulsion. Normally GranActive Retinoid comes with this kind of texture in a light yellowish or cloudy kind of color. That is how you can identify the genuine GranActive Retinoid. The consistency is like a serum and it's fastly absorbing. How to start using it? If you are a beginner and you have not used any retinoid product, then use in a small amount. First you can use a moisturizer and then apply retinoid on top of it. Starting slowly is better and see how your skin reacts. Use once or twice a week initially, and then after 3 or 4 weeks you can use more often. It depends on your skin requirements, but always use only at the night time, so it penetrates better and it is safer to use at night. No vitamin A derivatives to be used in daytime. And even if you use at night, you have to use a sunscreen every day when you are exposing your skin to sunlight, and try not to expose to direct sunlight when the sun is too strong. Avoid using other active ingredients like exfoliants or vitamin C along with retinoid. You can use it in different routine, maybe morning or the days when you don't use this product. A According to my experience, I never faced any kind of irritation with this product and my skin felt really good the next day. I'm using it just thrice a week now. I never felt any dryness or anything. I can say helps with fine lines also, but wrinkles I cannot actually tell because I don't have it, but I can definitely feel that it smoothens out my skin and gives a slight glow. I have used it even around my eye area and there was no irritation at all. I use lactic acid from Minimalist once a week, so on those days and the next day I avoid using retinoid or any vitamin A products because I don't want to overdo. So I feel that this is a fantastic product and I will continue to use it. Hope this video was informative and helpful. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to receive more videos from me in notification. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.